Open. Daddy just...
This one first.
Okay.
Guys, buksan ako.
Saan? Saan
Shoot
ang plastic
again.
set? Ang black. Para ano, garbage.
Diyan na siya rin.
I don't know what kind of shoes is this. But it's from Jessica.
That's from Daddy Jess.
Okay.
Oh, garbage, garbage.
Guys!
Wow! That's from Daddy Jess, all of that.
Uy, ang ganda. Wow! What's it? What's that? Wow! I always tell my mom I always wanted these.
LOL?
Yeah, it's a lot of baby brands.
Yeah, mini brand.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Wow! Do you like it? Yeah.
I don't want to choose that one!
Okay. Yeah.
Wow!
Wow.
So pretty!
That's LOL.
They have two brands here.
Yeah, oh, give me. Later now. Give me. Oh, open.
Oh, next one.
This one!
Wow!
Okay.
So exciting! So lucky girl!
What's this again? Don't looking!
Wow! Bola-bola ka. It's from Daddy Jess, all of that.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Then I like this one.
What is that?
Wow! I always wanted these.
Oh, wow. Okay, next gift.
Next gift.
This is my favorite.
I see. This is my favorite daw.
Pagkabukas, wala na.
Oh.
Putot ng ulo.
Tara na.
Wala ng ulo yan. Pagkabukas. What's that?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's that. Oh!
What is that?
This is a coffee.
You have lots of gifts. The...
What's that?
What?
Wait a minute.
This is the one I have done before.
No, I don't think
That's
so.
it's different. It's different.
Oh yeah, it's different one. Hurry up na kasi.
Wow.
Uy, ang cute. When you go to the campfire, you can just use that one.
Oh, come on.
Right? It's real.
It is real.
No.
Oh, it's not real.
It's a toy.
No. Wow, it's so ganda,
Yeah, that's toy.
You can put water in that one if you
Yeah,
want.
but if you want. Oh, do not get it. Oh, open more gifts.
This one.
Go.
Lots of gifts from Daddy Jess. Wow.
What's this? Wait.
What is that?
Lots of gifts from Daddy Jess.
Nakaposing din siya nakatawag sa kanya.
Ayan mo lang. Ayan mo lang.
Wow.
Talo kita tayo ng bilat.
This is beautiful and fashionable.
Open.
What's that?
I don't know.
Wow.
What a lucky girl.
So lucky.
This is what I wanted.
Okay,
Oh,
oh, next.
wow.
Well, Daddy just knows what you want then. Oh,
This
So
one.
lucky.
oh next.
Wala tiil.
Hanapin.
Laipo ng mga kamot. Wow. Ito na may kusina. Ay, ang ulo. Ito na may
Yeah.
parikuan. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Makeup.
Oh.
Wow! Did you like makeup?
Yes, I do. So I was.
Oh, next.
So, mommy. So now I will not gonna use yours.
Oh my God. So you will not gonna use my makeup na. Okay.
That's what I wanted.
Okay.
Oh, so excited with that.
You're
Did
so
you open
lucky,
my gift
ha?
also, Chay?
Not yet. Oh, sige, open. Go. Okay.
Wow! Slimes!
Use
And
the
Play-Doh.
slime? That's slime.
I'm in Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Wow!
Ano yung slime na yan? 350 isa.
Look, ito ka.
Okay, ina. Ayun, okay.
Slime.
Okay.
This one.
What's that?
Mahal lang isa. 350 isa.
Magawa sa haircon.
Oo, okay lang kayo, Loy.
It's fashionable!
That's a short, like your green one. That's different.
You're right.
See? This is a...
Three, two, one.
Go, what's that?
Yeah,
So
that's
cute!
not it.
Ay, ang cute.
The next one.
No, this one pa. That one pa.
Cute.
I have no time na to wrap that, so that one na lang. Wow, this one is, this is from Tita Jack pala. This is so
This is what I wanted.
That's from Shopee Mall. Shop Mall.
Oh my god!
Oh, papi.
The next one is... Wow!
Kulig yung sila, kulig.
The next one is...
Wow, that's a lot!
Wow.
The next one is...
Cashmere.
The next one...
Oh, it's PG Mac!
Yeah, PJ Raza.
The
It is.
next
Yeah, this.
this.
What's that?
I think this is only free.
Oh, wow.
Next
Let me see, let me see.
one is that.
Oh my god, what
Open,
is that?
Open, open,
Sophia
look.
the first. Wow!
Wait. Bola-bola ka.
Happy, happy?
Happy? Oh, that's...
Next one.
Wait, that's not from your birthday party.
Yeah. Next one is this.
Oh, whose promise that? You need to read it.
Read it first. Read it. Wala.
It says
Let me see.
this one.
Let's see. Let me see. it.
Adeline.
Adeline. Let me see. From Adeline.
What's that?
Bonita!
Wow!
The next
Cute.
one is... This is from... This one.
Velma.
Vilma.
Velma.
From Vilma. Ate Vilma. Go.
Wait.
Careful, ha? Open. What? What is it?
Wow!
Floats.
Floats. From my stomach. Next one is... What?
Oh, wala nagustuhin na eh.
Ate Aya! This is from Ate Aya!
Katwitin na.
That's from Aya.
Yeah. 3.
Arya.
What's
What's
that? Oh, what's that?
What's that?
Flower?
Cologne?
I think it's cologne.
I think it's perfume.
Yeah.
You're right, it's cologne.
Wow.
From Ava!
Sweet
The
honesty.
next one.
Next one. This one. Close your eyes.
Is it ready? This one.
That's from Mimi. That's from Mimi.
Okay,
Next, pwede ka dun.
this one.
Oh, that's Ate Ann. Ate Ann.
Ah, that's from Ate Ann. Okay.
3, 2.
Okay.
Pajama!
Pajama.
So
Yes.
cute! Present!
Yeah.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Present. Oh, pinakita ko paglapog dahil. Balik lang niya. Oh, di ba buti? Wow!
You like it? A boot?
Yeah, that's what I needed.
You need this.
This
It's a
is
boot.
from Maria Miguel.
Wow! It's your friend?
No, that's
Classmate.
my classmate.
Oh, wow!
That's a lot.
Oh, wow.
This one.
What's that? Okay, okay. Read it.
This is to Maria Miguel.
Oh, okay.
From Maria Miguel.
3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2. Wait. What?
Enough?
No.
That's a lot naman. Wow. Sticker.
This is for Shana.
Wow!
Come on. No, that's,
Ooh,
that's
mommy.
is that from Shana or let me see.
Look.
I think Maria will buy this for you.
Look.
So amazing.
Wow.
This
Okay.
can put it
looks
there.
like Shana.
Yeah. No, it's come on. Okay, go.
This one.
Next.
Okay, where's the...
She have lots of gifts naman.
Pudlan ko din.
Oh, hurry up.
Ulat labrak pa na. Ito lang, pag lang eh. Ikamtam lang. Dati, nagkaturi.
Wow!
What's that? What's that? Ooh! Aqua Flash! Is that a tumbler?
Wow, a tumbler.
Yeah, tumbler. Wow, you can use that in the school. Yeah,
Oh,
wow! That is so cute. Thank you.
The last one!
She can really use this.
3!
Tumbler. Aqua Flash. Wow! Wow! Is that Mario Miguel?
Yeah.
Wow, Roger is so thoughtful naman. Oh.
Wow!
This is Moose Girl pa.
I think it's Shana.
Thank you so
My
much.
bestie.
That's from Shana.
So excited!
How did you know?
Shana told me this is hers.
Maganda yung cover.
Ah, BFF niya sa school.
Ah, that's your
It
BFF.
is...
Open it, open it. Open it all. You have to open it all.
Oh, Sibi, help. Careful, ha. You're gonna hurt yourself. Wow! Thank you, Shana. She loves this. Frozen bag.
So beautiful.
Yes.
Wow!
From who? From who?
There's no letter. No
Walang price,
letter.
ano?
From who?
I don't know who.
That's from my friend.
Oh, that's from your friend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ang
Mia.
Si kanino, oh, Francis.
I don't
I don't
know.
know.
Your bestie?
No, I think this is from your classmate.
I guess.
Nice.
This is not from Yara?
I think that's from her.
Yara?
I guess.
Ang social ng mga friend niya, naka-HM.
It's, oh yeah, I forgot.
Happy birthday. Wow, what's that? It's a money. Wow.
Ano kaila ate yan yung ano dun sa tindahan?
Okay,
Oh.
let me count it.
1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow.
300!
100.
Wow.
That's from the store.
Oh. Wow.
Wow, that is
That cloth is
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah, this one is pretty. Oh, wow, I like this.
Ang ganda.
The next one.
Wow, Bella, I like this, Bella.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's nice.
This one is
Beautiful.
pretty. Thank you
This is
so much.
from Zina.
Wow.
This is pretty.
My old third classmate. Old classmate.
Open it.
Okay, Bea.
She got me.
Wow!
From
From who? From who?
And it's from
From who?
Zina.
Zina. Oh, from Zina. Thank you, Zina.
Wow. So cute. Ayan.
Wow, that's a lot naman from Zina.
Wow.
Frozen.
A
She
diary.
loves
Wow.
Frozen. Wow! Wow, thank you, Zina. So cute.
This one.
Read from who? From who?
That's from
There's no letter.
the back. No. Ito siya magkasama yung isa dito. This
I
one,
don't know.
together. Di together.
Ayan.
Yeah, di together.
They are together pala.
From ano?
No, kanila ate tattoo yung sa store.
Rohan? Sister, hindi. It's Rohan. From Rohan. Kasama yun siya ng ano, yun. Yung dress na yun.
Yay!
Wow! Oh, this one is pretty!
Wow! Yeah, so beautiful.
Mom,
H&M.
Oo, sama yun sila.
this one.
So
Ay, hindi. Yung
pretty.
sa H&M, yung isa naman nalagay.
Read from who, Bella? Do it. Open.
From Naj.
Wow!
Ah, from Naj.
Wow! It's cute!
So
Oh,
cute.
wow! It's cute!
I wanted it.
Okay, so cute.
Okay, next one. Next one.
Thank you.
This one. This one.
From who? From who? Read it. Skylar.
Wow, it's from Skylar!
Wow!
That's so
Thank
cute!
you.
Wow!
you.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
The
Wow.
next one.
Next one, the pink one. It's from.
Read it first.
Read it first before you
Yeah.
open it.
Read it first.
Look. There's no.
From
Ah, that one.
This is from.
Teacher Kim.
Wow,
Oh my
teacher
God,
Kim, that's so
wow.
big.
She's my teacher.
Yeah, she's your teacher.
Chocolate.
Wow naman! Isang pack na Ferrero.
Uy.
Wait, really? Oh. Wow, teacher. Yeah,
Okay,
she
your
loves
teacher just send you a
chocolate.
message.
What's
Oh,
this?
Teacher Kim said, "Happy birthday, Bella. May the Lord continue to bless you."
Thank you so much.
It's a tumbler, nice.
I got two
you can-
tumblers.
Yeah, you can
Three.
use those.
This is from Jollibee.
Yeah,
Wow, open it.
There, wait naman.
Anong labas ito? Kaya nag-abri.
Wow.
Jollibee with
Wait.
straw.
Oh, this is the tumbler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Jollibee.
Ooh.
Ito pa, hoy. Ito pa.
That's from.
Kaiser.
Kaiser.
Kaiser. Wow. That's so cute.
So cute.
Wow.
No more knife.
Ang cute. Look.
So cute. Alalambot na.
Now I got three.
Bella, okay, bye.
Hey.
Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone who give gifts to you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
See, ito the vlog, oh. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Sina, thank you so much for...
Thank you so much for the gift.
Yeah, thank you to all people who give gifts on her birthday. Right? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you appreciate it all?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Mommy.
Are you going to play now?
Yeah.
That-
I'll open this.
Yeah, that's from
Yeah, it's
Jessie.
pretty. Wait, I'm gonna take a video.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Lalaro na siya.